In this training video, we're going to take a look at three different things: how to add your taxes, how to create your products, services, and sessions, and how to build packages. These features are all going to be under the Billing System tab in the menu on the left. Click the plus sign to access the subcomponents of the billing system, and we'll start with tax types. Adding taxes is very simple. Simply add the name, an optional description, and the percent amount of the tax, and click Add Tax, and it will be added to your list down below. These taxes are then available to be used on invoicing, agreements, or any other monetary transaction in the software. It's a good idea to include the percentage in the name of the tax itself, especially considering that over time that percentage may change, so it'll be easy to distinguish later on which is which. Once you have your taxes set up, the next thing we'll look at is your products, sessions, and services. Now, the details of this will be going over in your live training session. But just to give you an idea how it works, you have personal sessions, which are any sessions that are one-on-one, one instructor with one client. Then you have group fitness, which are sessions where you have one instructor and multiple clients. So that can be group fitness classes or group personal training sessions. Next, you have your services. So these are things like towel service or locker service, online nutrition, things like that. And then you have your products. So these are products that you actually sell within your club. So let's take a look at a personal session. So we're going to click on personal sessions at the top. We're going to scroll down and we're going to look at 60-minute personal training session. We're going to click the edit button to make this active. So here we can see we have the duration. So this is 60 minutes. You can also set it for hours. You have the name of the session and a description. You also have the session link. And again, this can be gone over in more detail in your live training sessions, but the way it works is basically if you were to sell a punch pass that gives access to multiple different types of sessions. So for example, let's say somebody buys a 10 punch pass of personal training that is also good for fitness assessments or nutritional consultations. Then you can create your fitness assessments and nutritional consultations as sessions as well, and set them all to the same session link. So that way if somebody buys a package of personal training, they can also book into the nutrition or fitness assessment sessions using those same sessions. Down below you have an optional accounting code if you wanted to track sessions that way through your accounting software. You can set what the default amount is for this session, what taxes are charged, if there's any staff discount or a sales discount or an agreement discount. Staff discounts will automatically apply through the point of sale system when a staff member is pulled up as it's being sold to. Sales discount will apply to every sale, and an agreement discount will apply only to clients that have an agreement where the agreement discount button is checked. It will then apply this agreement discount through the point of sale system. You can also enter a barcode number if you choose to use barcodes to scan instead of having to look the item up through the point of sale. Because this is a calendar item, you can then choose what your default calendar color is, as well as whether clients can self-book. You can upload an image to associate with this, and because instructors will train this type of session, you can also set what they will earn to complete one of these sessions. So that's a product that you've now created in the software. So if we go back, sorry, that was a personal session. Now we'll go back and take a look at products. So here's your list of products. Again, ideally, if you've been using a different software, ideally we can import these products for you, but if not, you may have to create them manually. So let's click on one to bring it up. And we can see the product name, description, again, accounting codes, but now because it's a product, you also have a supplier name you can enter, a cost, your current quantity on hand, what your reorder point is, and what your standard order is. Then this information will all then be used under your point of sale reports so you can track your inventory. So that's your products, services, and sessions. So basically everything you sell within your club is going to need to be set up in this area. It's also important to note that these will be your core individual sessions, products, or services. You're not going to create packages of personal training or packages of other things in this section. These are just the individual sessions. Because where you're going to create packages is what we'll look at next, your package builder. So it's also in the menu on the left. When we go to the package builder, we can see, using the drop-down, some of the packages that have currently been created. Let's go down and look at this bronze package that we created as an example. We'll click Edit to make it active. So we can see we've got a package name. You can apply either a flat rate discount or a percentage discount to this package, which will then be applied at the point of sale. If you want people to be automatically entered into a competition that you've created when they buy this package, you would simply enter the competition name here from the drop-down. You can set a maximum to be sold. Then once that number is reached, it will automatically be hidden from the point of sale and from the virtual store, so no more can be sold. Similarly, you can set an expiry date, where once that expiry date is hit, then no longer will this package be available to be sold. This expiry date does not affect sessions that are sold in this package though, so it will not expire sessions. It just simply expires when the package is able to be purchased. You can also create a point of sale category for this package. So in this case, we're putting in a point of sale category called combo packages. Down below, you're going to enter your list of items, which are sessions, services, or products that are sold as part of this package. When you click on one of the drop-downs, you'll see the complete list of all your products, services, and sessions. And then you simply select them to add it into the package. Set your quantity. You can adjust your price. Your taxes are not adjustable because they are used by whatever is defaulted in your products, services, and sessions list. Then the software will calculate out all of your numbers for you. So you can see what your subtotal is, any discount that's applied, in this case the 15% discount, your discounted total, your taxes, and then your overall grand total. There's also a payment processing link that's created for every package that you create. So this allows you to sell this package online through your website. So you could simply create a sales page, put in a description of the package, have a buy now button, which you then associate this link to. This will allow clients to click on that and purchase this package online. If they're signed in, it will then add that package as part of their current profile. So in this case, it would add 25 30-minute personal training sessions to their profile immediately that are then available to be booked. Again, for more details on all of this, make sure you ask during your live training session. Also, keep in mind that every page that we've touched on has a help video in the upper right-hand corner. So if you click on that, you can get more details on each individual page that you're on.